Hi everyone, it's Fiona Fernandez here. I've got my box, my BBB, from the pre-purchase that we can do from the Stampin' Up! On Stage at Home, and I just got it, so I'm going to show you what's in here. I'll just get my scissors out, get this open. I hope you're all having a lovely day. It's so nice outside. We just went for a big walk by the waterfront, which was lovely. Oops, today's just bumped the stand. Sorry about that. Now, Stampin' Up! Always pack things really well, and we've got some extra padding in here. It's full of air. It's helpful because it spaces everything out nicely, so you always get a little thank you for your order, and I'll check everything off that and off my order sheet after. I'll just move all the packaging away so I can see what we've got. What have we got? Right, oh, look at all this. So, darling donkeys. That's cute, isn't it? Wow, and we got to see videos of some of these things used on the weekend, of people, some demonstrators making things with them. So I've shared some of those already on my Facebook page or Instagram, or both. That's an embossing folder, so that gives you a beautiful texture. There's some envelopes. I just wanted more envelopes to go with my card kits that I send out and with the cards that I make. Now this one is called Messages Die, and this one's called Floral Gallery Dies, and Dandy Wishes dies, so that goes with the dandelion, the dragonfly sets. Ooh, yummy, yummy. I'll open them up later. Potted succulents. There's another set of succulents. We'll get to the stamps in a minute. So this one is the Dandy Garden Memories and More Cards and Envelopes, and they're already pre-printed, so that's very nice. Look at the lovely impressions on that. Very nice. Now I have also purchased an extra box of Sunshine because they're on special at the moment. If you go into the clearance rack, you'll see those, and they're while stocks last, so if you want one, grab one quickly. There's the Paper Pumpkin by Stampin' Up! And I haven't opened that yet, of course, because I just got it, so I will do another video with that, and I may even play with that in my live tomorrow night. So I'm going to be making some Christmas cards. So this is the, let me see if I can read it. Gotta get the right, Fine Art ribbon, and it is, doesn't have a colour on it. I can't see it. I haven't got my reading glasses on. Anyway, it's very pretty. Look, it's got gold in it. Gold thread. Gold thread. I've bought a Stampin' Seal Plus refill because I've nearly used mine up, and you can buy the original packet has the hard case that you can open, and you can put your refills inside them. And the refills for both Stampin' Seal and Stampin' Seal Plus fit in the same cases. Now these are new. These are little brushes, blending brushes, and they'll be in the new catalogue coming out in January. I'm just looking through the packet. I might just open that one, hey? Rip that off. Just rip it off over the other side of my board there. It's got a resealable bag. Oh, they're soft. Oh, feel that. That is so soft. Look at that. I like that. Oh, that is so soft. Beautiful. They're all the same size. They're tiny little pieces of, yeah, I love that. Tactile girl, so I like the feel of those sorts of things. Got some extra bells. jingle bells, yeah, to go with my class on the 28th of November. We're going to be decorating our Christmas countdown projects, and I bought some extra bells to go in the kits for people that are doing the class. We've got, we get a sample of the free mini catalogue, so I can't show you what's inside of it yet, but I can show you the outside. And here's Heal Your Heart. So all of these stamp sets are going to be in the in this catalogue. So it comes out in January, and I've got a what do I call it? It's an auto mailer that I do through Stampin' Up. So if you'd like a hard copy of the brochures in Australia, then let me know so I can pop you on my list, and I send them out free of charge to you. So that's my free gift to you. And there'll be a celebration one as well soon, and that starts in January as well. So that's many messages. Look at all those messages. So I'll be able to play with all of this before January, and I'll be using some of them in my lives Wednesday night at 8:30 p.m. Sydney time. And there's another one, Approaching Perfection. Lots of lovely things. Look at this art gallery. So being a demonstrator, we get to pre-order things, and because I went to OnStage, this is a special pre-order. Usually you get 1 month before the catalogue comes out to pre-order your things, and when you do the OnStage, which is the next one, will be November, the in-person will be in November next year, you get to do this pre-purchase, which is very exciting because you get your hands on things a little bit earlier. I saw some beautiful cards made with this, so I'll just, well, with all of them really, but I really liked that one. And there's the succulent one, Simply Succulents. That looked fantastic too, with the colouring in of the succulents. There's just so much you can do with it. Okay, this one here says Fine Art Floral Designer Series paper. That one. And there's a sample of that. I won't open everything now because I've got to keep something for later. And this one is called Golden Garden Designer Specialty Acetate. So that's clear and with the pattern on them. So we'll definitely be playing with that soon. And oh, I like that. That's so pretty. Okay, what's this one? This is Flower and Field Designer Series paper. Look at that. So some of these will be available in a celebration, so you won't actually be able to purchase the stamp set on its own. If you spend some money in Stampin' Up, and then you get to choose from the celebration catalogue depending on how much you've spent, what you can get. So it's based on $90 spend, so there's some products at $90 spend and some at $180 spend. You get to choose free things, so I'll definitely have more information about that later. You Are Amazing project kit. I just bought that because I wanted it. Okay, so that's part of the catalogue as well. All right, now we have an empty box. So thank you for watching. And if you want to catch me live on Wednesday night on my Facebook page, byfihandcrafts, and I'll be doing some things and making cards. So let me know if you want more details or to go on my catalogue mail out. I need to know by the 29th of November if you're going on the catalogue mail out. Thank you. Bye. Ciao.